Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you what I like to eat in a day. If you watched my morning vlog, then you know what I like to eat before I work out or do yoga. So I just have like a warm cup of water, then I make a smoothie using an apple, cucumber, a little ginger and a lemon and drink that, followed by coffee with some makhna. So that's a constant, that doesn't change. Once I'm done with my coffee, I also have 2 egg whites. Once I've had that, I'm just about to get started with yoga. So the first thing I drink after yoga is coconut water. Really helps in rehydrating, and I also need the electrolytes. I sweat a lot in my yoga class. Once I'm done with the coconut water, I drink my protein. I switched to whey protein again. I love the taste of this because it's got caffeine in it. It literally tastes like cold coffee. I used to have this plant protein before, but I really cannot take the taste anymore. I love how this tastes, so I just moved away. I just take 1 scoop in the shaker and some water and just shake it up. I put some quinoa to boil in a pressure cooker. Also boiling some broccoli and beans. I will bring this to a boil and then quickly pour some cold water in it to retain the color. I had marinated some chicken, so I am just going to bake that in this dish. Sometimes I also like adding a little bit of the Nando's peri peri sauce. So I'm just going ahead and finishing up my lunch, and along with my lunch I also like to have a drink. I have been loving these kombuchas. I'm trying this new one. It's mango turmeric, but the apple ginger carrot one is my favorite. I love that one. Alright, just got done doing a live, filming a couple of videos, and this is when I usually get a little peckish. It's around 5:30 in the evening, so I'm gonna make myself a snack. I like to snack on some apples with this super butter from Brute Appetit. It's a chocolate butter. It is so delicious. I'm almost out of it. I only have like just a little bit of it left, but you guys really need to try this. It's so good. So what I like to do is actually just go ahead and dip the apple, take a little bit of the butter and just go for it. It's a perfect combination. This is a mix of nuts, seeds, superfoods, crunchy cacao nibs and flaxseed. It's so satiating, which means it keeps you full for a really long time, and it's also incredibly delicious, so it's the perfect snack. I literally finished that in seconds. I also need to buy a new one of this. So this is what I made for dinner. Some rice, a prawn curry in coconut milk, and some salad. Yeah, got like 1 cup of rice approx, and I might take a second helping of prawns. And yeah, this is how I like to have my dinner. This is a little heavier than usual, but I was just craving some rice. Just got done with dinner, and time for me to just put all of these back into the fridge, clean up the kitchen a little bit, and also have my supplements. So I usually take my supplements after dinner. This is the fish oil that I am taking. I will link it down below. If you get like sweet cravings after dinner, which I usually do when I eat meals like this, I just take a sugar-free gum and start chewing that, and it really tricks my brain into thinking that I've had something sweet without actually having something sweet. So that's it for this what I eat in my day video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's time for shadow night, to call it a night. We're gonna fall asleep now, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed watching this and want to see more vlogs like this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.